they're probably like, dang, she always in the hairstyle and hoodie on the weekends. And I want to put clothes on. I already got to on anyway. All right, y'all. Picking up my baby from basketball practice. We went on a little store run. We ended up going to Kroger's. Normally, I shop at Publix because it's literally right up the street from the house. But I went to Kroger's this particular day. I've not been in Kroger's in about 2 years, but I just wanted to see, what had changed. Y'all, I did not realize that Thanksgiving was around the corner and everybody and their ancestors was in here this day. And I didn't, when they would vlog like I wanted to, and it was just overwhelming, too many people. Like, it was a lot going on in this store, okay? So I got what I could and hurried and put my phone and camera back in my purse. But, I ended up going over to the flowers. I was going to buy me some, y'all. I love flowers, so my birthday and everything around, you guys are more than welcome to buy me some. But I had to hurry up and get from over here because I would have took too long looking and not getting the things that I actually needed, okay? But I did stay for a split second and looked at them. But flowers really make my day, y'all. I love, 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 love flowers. But like I said, if y'all choose to give me some, I would greatly appreciate it. No, I'm playing. But, yeah. I snuck on over here to the other side. See, I get distracted easily. I didn't get none, y'all. I started to, but I did good. I did real good. I didn't get any. So, y'all already know. When you look at fruit, you can kind of tell if it's ripe, if it's gonna be sweet, if it's whatever. And I knew I shouldn't have bought this watermelon. I never follow my first mind, and I'm terrible. I need to stop doing that. I really, really do. I knew I shouldn't have bought this watermelon, but being hard-headed, I went on and bought it, and it was absolutely disgusting, terrible. But hey, we live and we learn, okay? Live and we learn. As y'all can see, my child was in the buggy. She thought she was gonna stay in the whole time. To my mama, my legs hurt, my legs hurt. Nah, bro, you gonna get about this buggy and help pick up these groceries, okay? At this point, y'all, it was a lady standing next to me talking so loud on her phone. I just hated her. I don't know if I wanna try, child. For me to buy these and not to like them, $2.69, I would be upset. The Secret Nature of Fruit Probiotic. This is refreshing peach, spice pineapple, tropical passion fruit. Prebiotic soda. I think I'm gonna try it too. They got apple cider vinegar refresheners, prebiotic, your daily dose of wellness. Oh, it's a tea, so you drink all of this. Now that $5. Oh, you good? Okay.
Was there anything else I can get for you now?
That's it.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
wasn't done. My child rushing me. What's this? Chocolate. Gotta roast down now. I ain't gonna show y'all everything. That's one thing I hate. For people to go grocery shopping, they show all 10,000 items that they got. But this is everything I got, y'all. Look, ham hock. Watermelon is disgusting. And these are just a few of my favorite items. This oil, I use this on my baby hair. She has very dry, itchy scalp, and this helps. And then I'm going to use the shampoo conditioner. This will be my first time using this on her hair. And these are two of my favorite mouthwashes. These I do want to show y'all, just my favorites. I really like to use these. This is my favorite. I use this in my laundry. Don't sleep on it. Try it. Then I wanted to try these out as well. I have the Concord Grape and Hibiscus. And I have the honey and green tea. So I thought that was interesting. I love my Dove, one of my favorites. And these two were on sale. And then this right here, the Caramel Macchiato. I don't think I had this one. But I do want to try it out. See how it tastes. But yeah, I'm about to get these groceries put up. I knew I shouldn't have got the watermelon. I should have. I normally get my stuff from Publix. I went to Kroger's today. But I'm probably going to end up taking it back. I know y'all probably like, dang, she always in a headstock and hoodie on the weekends. And baby, I don't want to put no clothes on the weekends. I already had to get up early on Saturday mornings anyway. So this is my comfortable stage. I went up in Kroger's just like this in bed. Okay? But we're gonna get this stuff put out. So y'all, right here I am using the Fruit and Veggie Clean Spray. It is awesome. I use this on all my fruits and veggies. Just spray it on there, let it sit in the water and clean. Because if y'all don't realize that most of the fruit comes with like a lot of wax on it, dirt, bugs, and everything else, fruits and vegetables. So just really take the time to clean your fruits and veggies I know some people that don't. They just take it out of the bag and boom, they eat it. To each his own, honey. Do what you want to do. But I just don't want to put that in my system or my child's system. So I thoroughly clean these. Let them sit in water for a second and put them to the side to dry. So y'all, I decided to cook a roast for Sunday dinner. At the beginning, I did not, the pack that I just showed y'all, I did not want to use the seasoning that came in the package. So I added my own, excuse me y'all, my own seasonings to my roast and potatoes and onion. Now I was highly upset at the celery. It was 2 little pieces of celery in here. Whoever packaged this together need to be fired. I don't even think I showed y'all the two little bitty. Child, that wasn't even enough for a hamster to eat, okay? They should have been fired that day. So I like to make sure I get into all the creases all over because I need that meat flavorful, okay? So here I just like to pat it in, make sure everything blends in. Excuse me, y'all. And yeah. And y'all, I will say I am not a cook, but I am learning. Yes, I am. Judge Mammy. My child is extremely picky. She does not like a lot of things. She doesn't like cheese. She doesn't like no hamburger helper, no macaroni and cheese, no. Child just it's so much that she doesn't like. So I don't cook nothing. But I do cook, but I'm about to start cooking like meals, okay? Because my mother no longer lives here, okay? And I be missing the good old Southern cooking. So I have to step up my game. I've been spoiled for a long time. So I gotta step it up. And plus, my future husband is coming, okay? And I have to be able to cook for him as well. And I need him to be able to cook too. And my child. Okay, y'all, so I made some homemade gravy from scratch. I was super excited about this. It took me 2 times to make it. The first time I couldn't get it to brown, okay? So I ended up using Crisco oil, a little flour, salt and pepper, a little beef broth, and this brown seasoning for color. I can't even think of the name of it, but what you just seen me put in there, I use a little bit of that just to give it a little bit more color. I should have added a little bit more, but that's okay. But y'all, this came out really, really good. I was proud of myself. I told y'all I'm trying to get my cooking game, my cooking skills up, okay? We're not going to be eating out all the time, and we're not going to be eating just no little simple, dimple meals. But we're going to be eating collard greens, cornbread, but healthy meals as well. Then I told my baby, you gonna eat what's on the stove or you don't eat it all. You're not gonna go in my pantry, you're not gonna go in my refrigerator. You're gonna eat what's out here because this is hearty. You need good hearty meals, not junk food all the time. But it came out awesome, y'all. Don't y'all talk about how my croissant rolls look, okay? Sister was tired. I was ready to get them in and out, okay? I had already oiled my pan down, but I had to cover it up, end up going somewhere and had to come right back, so that's why it looks like that. No, it is not dirty, okay? But don't judge my rolls, okay? They went in, they came out. Either you gonna eat them or you ain't. Crock pot recipes. It turned out great. We had our rice and rolls, and y'all, my baby tore it up. I think she just ate it because she had to, but y'all see it.